First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer.
Mornings can be chaotic, can't they? You're rushing around late for work, kids are screaming for Cocoa Pops, skipping breakfast, that's a disaster, your body needs fuel. I'm going to show you 3 breakfast ideas that are quick, healthy, and delicious. We're talking taste explosions, not soggy cereal and burnt toast. Get out of bed and into the kitchen because it's time to fuel up for the day the right way. Let's get started. First up, the Berry Blast Energy Smoothie, a quick and easy way to get your motor running. Start with a handful of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, whatever you fancy. Then, we need a ripe banana for that creamy texture. Next, a dollop of Greek yogurt for a protein punch. Add a knob of fresh ginger for a bit of a kick, a squeeze of honey for sweetness, and a splash of almond milk to loosen it up. Blitz it all together in your blender until it's smooth as silk. Taste it. Need more sweetness? Add a bit more honey. Pour it into a glass, grab it and go. You'll be bouncing off the walls with energy all morning long. It's a flavor explosion in a glass. For those planning ahead, this one's for you. It's my peanut butter and banana overnight oats, and it's so easy a 5-year-old could make it. Grab a jar or container. Start with rolled oats, the real deal. This is your slow-release energy. Next, we need some Greek yogurt again. Remember, full fat for a creamy texture and a protein boost. Now for the star of the show, peanut butter. We want the good stuff, the kind with just peanuts and salt, a dollop of honey for sweetness, a pinch of salt to bring out the flavors, and a splash of milk. Any milk will do. Give it a good stir, making sure everything is combined properly. Leave it in the fridge overnight. In the morning you can grab it and go, or slice up some bananas and sprinkle them on top. It's like a dessert for breakfast, but without the guilt. You've got no excuse not to try this one. For those mornings when you've got a bit more time and fancy something warm and savory, this one's for you. It's my quick veggie scramble, packed with protein, vitamins, and flavor. Grab your veggies, peppers, onions, and spinach, or whatever you've got on hand, chop them up nice and small, crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them up until they're light and frothy. Heat up a pan on medium heat and add a knob of butter. Once the butter's melted, chuck in your veggies and cook them until they're softened but still have a bit of bite. Pour in your eggs and season with salt and pepper. Stir the eggs constantly, scraping the bottom of the pan to make sure they don't stick. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, remove the pan from the heat. Serve it up with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of cheese if you're feeling indulgent. There you have it. A quick, easy, and delicious breakfast. This will set you up for the day. See? That wasn't so hard, was it? 3 fantastic breakfast recipes that even you can't manage to screw up. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. So, which one are you going to try first? The Berry Blast Smoothie for rushed mornings? The peanut butter and banana overnight oats for a grab-and-go breakfast? Or the quick veggie scramble when you've got a bit more time? Let me know in the comments below, and share this video with your mates. Until next time, get cooking and make it delicious.